looking for that affordable but upscale fifth wheel, 331RD by Cruiser. Has an outside kitchen on it, storage area, fridge.
That's just one of, I think, 3 fridges in this unit. We have a nice tri-fold sofa bed here. We have a nice pair of recliners, theater seats I should say. We have a wine fridge in this one. That's fridge number 2. Fridge number 3 is going to be probably the best of the best. This is a double 8-cube fridge, gas electric, great size. Right here. That is about the most expensive fridge you can get in an RV. Great counter space. This is a chef's kitchen for sure. Counter space here, stainless sink, counter space there. And TV and your fireplace opposite your entertainment seating. Nice square tub shower with a seat. The door was locked there for a second. Here we have closets in the nose. Great size bedroom. 6 drawers here. King size bed. Come see the Cruiser at Pine Acres RV, exit 11.